Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video on Jamie's Adventure Vlogs. I have not been uploading recently, but I am back now. It's been about 8 to 9 days since I've not uploaded. I have been a little bit busy, but I am back now. So as you can just see, we are on the site of the old St. Chad's Hotel. Just to give you a quick little update of what is happening now. You have got the original orange digger, the AOC Demolition Company. You've got the guy in the digger there, just working out. And then we've got another one. We've got a yellow one, a new yellow one, come to join the party of clearing up. At the minute, I don't know why, but there's water squirting out here. But like I said, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. And before we get into it more, if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed, please do hit the like button and also hit the bell for notifications. You alright, mate? One of a friend of mine, that. So like I was saying, if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed, please do hit the like button and also hit the bell for notifications of new videos coming on the channel. So we will just have a little walk around. I'm just on the road at the minute, so yeah, need to be cautious of not getting run over. So I'll come back. So I've just spoken to this nice guy. He's told me a little bit of an update, and it's getting on really well. Just having a walk around now from the right hand side. There is the Lindeen. And that's how you get subscribers as well, people, folks. Let's take a look now. I've not been here for about a week, so we are at the minute on part 10 of St. Chad's. As you can see, there's a little bit left still there. But not got to that bit yet. If you can remember, this is the part where they did the last bit, and it all came shooting down to the end of St. Chad's Hotel. But like I said, now it's all just in rubble. They're getting on with it really quickly. They're doing a good job. Full credit to them. And if you are watching, mate, who I've just spoken to, thank you for talking to me and telling me about an update about it. And thank you, yeah, I can't thank you enough for just stopping and having a little chat with me. So thank you for that. So if you're watching, thank you. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit there. There's a little bit just here. You see from where the digger thing is, there's some next to it, somewhere. By the way, it is a lovely day today. Definitely a good day for flip-flop sandals and on the beach. Have a sunbathe. It's a beautiful day for it. We are on the front now. There's nothing left of it. There's no electronics, no nothing. So I've lost out on that one. Lol. Never mind. There's just brick and wood now, and what you call it? All the metal, the holdings of the building. As you can see, that metal one there. That's what I'm talking about. That metal thing there. Well, focus. The focus camera. Not because I need to clean the lens. We'll try again. Come on, focus. There we go, focused on it there. If you can see it. That's the hold up the rooms. Right there. So yeah, that's basically what's left. You've got wood, brick, and stuff like that. Yeah. There's another one. Now we are back around the side where we started at the back, just to show you that they have started putting the blue boards up the fences for health and safety to stop people getting in. So they have made it as big as possible to stop people from coming in. We are on St Chad's Road. We was just on Bolton Road before, and then we was on Woodsworth over there on the other side. But yeah, like as we can see here, they've started putting up the blue boards. We've got here to do as well, just doing some else at the minute. So yeah, they're doing a really good job. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this short little video of St Chad's Hotel update progress demolition video. So if you're new to the channel and not yet subscribed, please do hit the like button and also tick the bell for notifications, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And also I'd just like to say another thank you to one of the workers who stopped and I had a little chat with you about the update in progress.